All right. So let's start this topic of arithmetic progression. So let's say if I write a series like this, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, and so on. Can I say that this particular series is an arithmetic progression? Why? Because if I see the common difference between the terms, 2 and 4 is how much? 2. 6 and 4 is how much? The difference 2. 8 minus 6 is how much? 2, right? 10 minus 8 is how much? 2. So if I do 4 minus 2, I'll get 2. If I do 6 minus 4, I'll get 2. If I do 8 minus 6, I'll get 2. If I do 10 minus 8, I'll get 2. Because the common difference between the terms is same, I'm saying that this series is in arithmetic progression. Let me take another series. Let's say 5, 8, 11, 14. Is this in AP or not? Yes, this is also an arithmetic progression. Why? Because the common difference between the terms is same. Whether I do 8 minus 5 or do 11 minus 8, I do 14 minus 11, I'm getting the same common difference. So yes, this is also an arithmetic progression. So that means if I'm saying that if a particular series, let's say A, B, C, D, E is in AP, that means, what does that mean? That means the common difference between them is always equal. Yes or no? If this series is in AP, that means B minus A is equal to C minus B is equal to D minus C is equal to E minus D. Right? Now, instead of writing A, B, C, D, E, let me write the arithmetic progression series like this. Let's say the first term is A. The second term is A plus D. The third term is A plus 2D. The next term is A plus 3D, and so on and so forth. The nth term will be what? The nth term will be A plus n minus 1 into D. So if this is the first term, this is the second term, this is the third term, this is the fourth term, and this is the nth term. Yes or no? So here A is what? A is the first term. And what is the D? D is the common difference. And if you take any two terms, whether you take A1 and A2, you subtract A2 minus A1, you'll get common difference as D. You do A3 minus A2, again you'll get the same common difference as D. You take any two successive terms and you find the common difference. You subtract them, you'll get the common difference as D in this series. Okay. So in arithmetic progression, we say that the nth term is equal to A plus n minus 1 into D. That's how you will find a nth term. So for finding the nth term in arithmetic progression, you should know the first term and you should know the common difference. Make sense? All right. So let's see a question on this. The question is, in an arithmetic progression, the fourth term is 28. So fourth term is 28. And 18th term is 112. Find the 40th term. Okay, they want you to find the 40th term. So if fourth term is 28, can I say A plus 3D is equal to 28? Because if nth term is, let's say, nth term is written as A plus n minus 1D. So fourth term is written as A plus 3D. 18th term is written as what? A plus 17D. All right. So let's solve them. If we subtract, A will get cancelled. 17D minus 14, 3D is how much? 14D. 112 minus 28 is how much? 484. Again, 14 will go 6 times. So common difference is 6. So if common difference is 6, put it in any one equation. What you'll get? A plus 18 is equal to 28. So A is how much? 28 minus 18. 10. Now, what is asking us? He's asking us to find 40th term. 40th term is what? A plus 39D. So what is A? A is 10. 39D. D is 6. So 10 plus 6 9 is 54, 6 3 is 18, 234. So 244 is the answer. So 40th term is what? The 40th term is 244. Right? Let's see one more question. This question was asked in CAT 2024. He's saying x1, x2, x100 are in arithmetic progression such that x5 is equal to -4 and 2x6 plus 2x9 is equal to x11 plus x13. Find the x100. He wants you to find the 100th term. Okay. So let's see what he has given us. He has given us a plus 4d is equal to -4. Can I say that? And he's saying 2 times of x6, which is 2 into x1 plus 5d. First term plus 5d. First term is x1, right? Plus 2 into x1 plus 8d is equal to x11. X11 is what? X1 plus 10d plus x13 is how much? X1 plus 12d. So what I'll get 2x1 plus 2x1, 4x1. And here you have 2x1. So 4x1 plus 10d plus 16d is equal to how much? 10 plus 16, 26d. So this is on the left hand side. Right hand side, what you have? You have 2x1 plus 22d. Let's bring x1 on one side and d is on the other side. So you'll get what? 2x1 is equal to minus 4d. So that means x1 is equal to minus 2d. So you're getting the first term is equal to minus 2 times of d. Now let's put this, whatever you got here, into this equation. The first equation. Okay. So what I will get here, a is basically x1 and d, okay, 4d is equal to minus 4. Instead of x1, can I write minus 2d? So 2d is equal to minus 4. How much is d then? Minus 2. So if d is minus 2, what is x1? x1 is minus 2 into 2, which is 4. What he needs us to find out? He needs us to find out x1 plus 99d. x100 is nothing but x1 plus 99d. x1 is 4 plus 99 into minus 2. So 4 into minus 198. 2 9 18, 2 9 198. So 4 minus 198 is how much? Minus 194. So the answer for this question is option A, minus 194.